All right, jump up. I need you to mix.
I can.
All right, what's your name now? What's your name?
No.
Is it Chef Carter?
Yes.
What's your name?
I don't know.
Oh. What are we making?
Pancakes. Apple.
Apple pancakes?
Yes.
All right, so watch fingers. Let's go. Chop.
There's two apples. What's in there?
You want sliced or diced?
Dice.
Diced? Okay. Here we go.
No.
Slice or dice?
Dice.
All right. Okay. We're going to have to put them in the bowl next.
Okay.
Get ready.
Would I?
Can you put these apples in the bowl?
I can't. Would it be tasty over?
It'll be tasty.
Look, and when it's going there, it'll be mixed.
Yeah. Okay, put those apples in.
I can.
Okay, what's next?
Butter.
No butter. This is just mix and water. So you want to do the mix or the water?
Water.
Okay.
I'm gonna get some
We're
water.
going to do. Let's do the mix first. How about that? 1 cup of mix.
I pour it. Some. I want to do it. I want to do it. Okay.
Let's see. Is it 1 cup? Oh, 1 cup. Put it in.
Oh.
All of it. Tap, tap, tap. Nice work.
Now I need some on that side. Let's go wash it away.
Put the water in.
I'm gonna stir it.
Please stir it.
I'm gonna stir it into
A mix. Look. Do you want to get really crazy?
Yeah.
You want raisins in there?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll get raisin in there.
All right, hold on. Let me get some raisins. Can you scoot back for a sec? Here, jump down. Let's get the raisins.
Yeah. I'll get through.
All right, here's some raisins. Put them in. All right, what about a little bit of cinnamon? You want to smell it first? Okay, put a little cinnamon in there. Give it a shake. Okay, that's good. One more shake.
It's not working.
There we go. That's plenty of cinnamon. All right, let's mix it in. Mix in those raisins. Stir, stir, stir. All day long. Stir, stir, stir.
All day long. All day long.
These are gonna be really appley and really raisiny. All right, should we cook them?
Yeah.
All right.
But what do you need?
We need a spatula.
I'm gonna do this spatula.
It's gonna go in here. So.
Cause I'm gonna flip it.
So it's, what's it doing right now? Is it cooking?
Yeah, and it's.
So we gotta wait until there's bubbles that come up through the pancake, and then we'll know it's time to flip. Do you see any bubbles coming up here? Look at that. They're starting to come. Do you see a few bubbles?
Yeah.
All right. Here's the spatula. Hold the spatula. Don't touch the pan. Get all the way under. Ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Awesome. Let's put it back on the stove. Cook the other side.
I can see a camera. I can see a camera.
Can the camera see you?
Yeah. I can't see it.
Okay. You ready to take this out of here?
Yeah.
Here. Ready? Flip. Oh, we missed. It's pretty hot. All right. Not bad. First pancake made. Spatula. Let go. All right, let's spray it up again. You ready? You want to make...
I'm hungry.
What?
Hungry.
You're super hungry?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat? Pancakes. Do you want to have your pancakes with ketchup?
Yeah, and ice cream.
No ice cream.
I want ice cream with my.
Do you want to have your pancakes with syrup?
Yes.
Syrup and what else?
And what about? What about?
How about ketchup?
What about?
All right, you ready to flip it?
Yeah.
All right, scoot over. All right, grab the spatula. Oh, you gotta go, hold on. All at once, ready? Oh, one got away from us a little bit. All right, we saved it. Good save, high five. You want to pour your syrup on?
Yeah.
Grab the syrup, pour it on. How much you want?
This.
That much or more?
More.
That much or more?
More. That's enough.
Okay. All right, chef. Go sit down and I'll bring you your pancakes.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you taste the apples and the raisins and the cinnamon?
I can't see them.
You can't see them because they're inside. How's the syrup?
Good.
Good. Oh, you found a raisin.
I didn't find a raisin.
Eat it.